Hello friends, I'm Masi Kinyoga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices, but today I'm going to use some. Today we are preparing mutton with rice, and our ingredients are: we have rice, cooking oil, we have our mutton, this is salt, garlic powder, we have a mixture of capsicums, red and yellow, we have coriander or dania, we have tomatoes, and we have onions. Let's cook together. We start by adding cooking oil. We let it burn for 2 seconds. Then we add our onions. We cover a bit until it turns golden brown. Our onions is ready. Then we are going to add our mixture of red and yellow capsicums. We cover again for 5 minutes. We uncover our mixture to stir a bit, and then we add onions. We add tomatoes. We stir our mixture. We are going to add salt. This is our salt. Because I don't have measuring cans, I'm only going to use my eyes to measure. Then I add garlic powder. I'm also going to use tangawizi, and I'm going to grate it because I didn't have garlic ginger paste ama ginger powder. I continue stirring. As you can see, my mixture is getting ready. Now I'm going to add our meat, our mutton. Then we cover again for only 5 minutes. This is how our food looks like. And please do not forget to subscribe, comment, share, and turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. Then I cover again my mixture. As you can see, my mutton is almost ready, and I'm going to add my rice. This is how our mutton looks like. Well cooked, it's yummy. Now we are going to add our water, and it is well measured. When you are cooking 1 kg of rice, you are only supposed to add water according using the same thing you used to measure. And for me, I used this cup to measure my rice. Now I used it to measure the same amount of water. While cooking 1 cup of rice, you are only supposed to cook with 2 cups of water. And when it is 2 cups, you are supposed to use 4 cups of water. It's only 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Now I'm going to add our rice. As you can see, it's ready. It's well washed. We are only going to add it. Then we stir our mixture. And cover again. For our rice to be ready. Our food is almost ready. Now we are going to add dhania. We cover again for 2 minutes because our food is ready. This is how our food looks like. It's now ready to be served. You can also serve with avocados. And this is how our food looks like. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and turn on notification bell to get notified once I video. Bye. Let's meet to the next video. Bye bye.